Get this dashboard off. You have 4 of these plastic plugs, and you have to pull out the pin in the middle and then it'll come off. See, I've just pulled this out and it's loose, right? Then this little shroud around the steering, you see there's like a C clip there, and there's a round peg that clips into there, so just unclip this and you can sort of turn it out the way, and you can see the screw here, there's one on the side. Unscrew this for this dashboard as well. Gently worked this off of this lever, and I go get the shroud off. The shroud there. Right. I've got the dashboard up on top of a steering wheel out the way. Next job is a couple of bolts here, get this other shroud off. So get it at the top side of this strut. Lever goes in there. Right, I pulled that up. Looks like it's just an Allen key into a side there. Okay, what it is, you got a little screw each side, and there's a bit of Loctite in them, so you need a wrench just to give this a bit of weep. But it slackens it right. Next thing, there's a pin underneath going through this. I've tried to tap it now with a punch, but it's pretty stuck. So we soak a bit of it for a while. Okay. I've soaked it in oil and played it back and forth, you see there. But it's still stuck in the bracket there. I'll zoom in. See pin there? So I had the pin there. I've been trying to tap it out with a hammer and punch. It won't really move. I can't get enough of a swing here. And job to hold it all. So say hello to my little friend. So the vibrations from the air hammer did push it over. So I push it that way, then push it back and oiled it. And I push it forward again now, and I'll finish off a punch. This is too thick to actually push it through. Right, here's the strut out. So that's how the top fits. There's a block of steel here, threads on the leg here, and you have a thread either side as well. And like the top is must push on a valve inside here. That's supposed to stop it from doing that. So this is finished. The seals in it have had it really. How it works is you have a button there where this lever presses on to open a valve in there. So I finished putting this strut in. So how I put it back in was the pin across here. I used the air hammer on. I cleaned that up with sandpaper and knocked it back in. And it's quite a job to get it to go right the way in, but it went then. Then the top bit here, it would extend higher than it needed to go really. So I had a bit of job to hold this and press it down. There's quite a bit of force to get it back down into itself then. I was able to put the screws back in then. Plus, before I put them in, the screws had a bit of blue Loctite on them from factory. So I had a bit of blue Loctite here and I put it on them and put it back on. With Loctite now, different colours are different strengths. So blue is like temporary, then you can actually undo them again. But red is sort of semi-permanent, so something to watch out for really. After that I just slid this back down, 2 10mm bolts back on, and I've just put the dash back on just so I was able to start it up and move it a bit. But I need to actually do some more work to the electrics again, so I've left it all slack. So I'll show you now it's working. So you pull this up and you see it's solid now, and then to make it easy to get out. Okay, thank you for watching, and that's it from me for now then.